But let's get to the price action first. Hormaz has the details. Hormaz, over to you.
It's not very often when you get to say that the broader markets were underperforming the Nifty, considering the market that we have been in. But today has been such a day. And we have the private financials to thank, to see ICICI Bank's record surge to a record high in today's trading session, 5% higher at 1160, also taking the Nifty Bank to a record high as well. But other private banks are not far behind as well. IndusInd, Axis, Kotak, that was beaten down all of last week, also saw some recovery, and AU Small Finance Bank as well, towards making its path towards the universal bank, 7.5% higher there as well. PSU banks not too far behind, equally if not more in contribution with the private banks. Indian Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, all of them, all the constituents of the PSU bank index, barring a couple of them, ended in the red, ended with gains in today's trading session. Some earnings reactions, as you were highlighting, and earnings have been on the extreme as well. UltraTech, after a very strong set, ended higher by almost 3%. Trent saw some choppy moves after the numbers came out. Satin Credit Care also saw a sharp spike but cooled off from the highs of the day. IDFC First recovered from the day's low but ended 4% lower, as did Craftsman Automation, 6% lower there as well. Some specific stocks that I wanted to highlight, and one of them is SPARC, and that continues to go from one lower circuit to another. It was the 12th straight lower circuit for SPARC in today's trading session, and now it's down almost 46% from the highs, recent highs, and 28 lakh shares are still outstanding in today's trading session. Supreme Industries, the best single day gain in 15 years, 14% higher at a record high. And lastly, of course, can't not talk about BSE, 13% lower there after the regulatory issues plaguing the company, the biggest single day drop since its listing. Back to you.
All right, Hormaz, thanks very much. So, as I said, there is a lot which has been happening, and of course today was action-packed as well.